lot of great resources like this one that has movable pieces or editable text boxes. But in order to use these with students, you need to be in edit mode and not present mode. So this can create an issue when we're looking at the small size of the actual workspace on a large projected screen. So I wanted to show you a couple of little tricks that you can use to enlarge this screen to make it a little more interactive and usable with your students. The first suggestion I have is to close the speaker notes. I often use the speaker notes to include extra instructions for teachers that are specific to that page in my file, but they're not necessary for students to see. So if you go to View and click on Show Speaker Notes so that it is unchecked, it will hide that space along the bottom. The second thing you can do is click on this little arrow here and it will hide your menus. And when we do that, we see the screen gets larger again. The third suggestion that I have is for an extension that is available currently in Chrome. If you go to your Chrome web store by clicking on this little icon at the top of a puzzle piece, it will open your store, your Chrome web store, which is here. And if you type into the search box, full screen interactive Google Slides, you will be brought to this particular fairly new extension for Google Chrome. And so if I go back to my resource here and click that extension, which I already have added, what it does is all the extra pieces here on the screen. So the thumbnails on the left and the extra bits of menu on the top. It's very much like using F11 to go full screen, but it also hides the thumbnails, which F11 doesn't do. And as you'll see, the pieces here are still movable. So students can use this, and you are able to use it as a demonstration tool on a larger screen and have students actually able to see it.